The reason I chose the tech college for my education is so I'm still able to have a full-time job while getting my education. It's much more affordable, and it was just a good first step for me. The reason I chose the business program is because I wanted something that didn't necessarily tie me down to one job, but I wanted something that could have other opportunities, so I went into business. The thing that excited me the most with the business program was possibly like my own business, so this was a great start for me to go towards a dream that I wasn't sure I would ever obtain. As far as my instructors, if I ever needed help, I could email them. They'd get back to me within a day, and it was just extremely helpful to have that sort of support. My future plans involve trying to get this business of my own started. So this whole next year is going to be all about coming up with a plan of what this business is going to be. I have the basics of running a business. Now I just need to figure out what it is that I'm going to focus on. I'd say my most fun skill with this program was probably the social media marketing. The people that I'm most thankful for with helping me get through this program, I mean, first it's going to be my husband. My family's been really supportive. I was able to get the Pell Grant, and then also I had a scholarship sponsored by the Rocky Mountain Power Foundation, and so having those made it very obtainable and affordable for me to do this program.